Hello, so now we're going to demonstrate receiving a call from an external patient, and we're going to need to conference someone in on this call so that we can have a three-way conference call. So the incoming call comes in as usual. I can answer it as normal. When the call comes in, I can then have some features up here to handle the call. So I'm going to speak to the person. Hello, how can I help?
Hiya, can I please speak to Mark? I need some help with patient care.
Yes, that's no problem at all. Let me invite Mark to this conference call. I'm going to search for Mark in the global directory. There is Mark, and I'm going to add him to this call.
Mark speaking. How can I help you?
We now have a three-way conference call between myself, the patient calling in, Vinny. Hello, Vinny, are you there?
Hi, Mark.
And Mark, who is the third person we've added to the call.
Hi, Vinny. Hello, everyone.
I'm going to end the call now. Thank you.
Thank you.